Nako, tingnan nyo, abangan nyo po ako sa yun, aside from that, parang it's also high time na rin na talagang kahit papano with the concepts that we're doing, especially on TV, we make sure that we need to be inclusive of what's happening around us, and well, especially with what's happening in social media. Sobrang laki ng dance trend dito sa Pilipinas. I mean, with the right music and the right moves na simple pero may dating, something can go viral in an instant, like overnight. So, parang this show, our show, Stars on the Floor, is gonna highlight those kinds of moments. And parang galing din kasi it's a collaboration between two worlds, which is the TV dance superstars and the social media dance superstars. So it's never been done before. So it's very exciting and I'm looking forward. Yeah, well, it's basically my first time hosting dance show, basically, parang a dance collaboration show. So normally kasi parang I used to host a lot of mga prestigious events, and dito naman sa GMA I usually host pag may mga noontime shows tayo, and at the same time, yung last ko was, I think, Battle of the Judges, which is a showcase of talent then as well. But right now, it's been a while since my last hosting stint in the network na pang TV. So very excited, and I really like this show. I mean, how it's well thought of. Parang it's high time talaga na magkaroon tayo ng ganitong klaseng konsepto na mapapanood ng ating mga kapuso. Ako, tingnan nyo, abangan nyo po ako sa opening. Parang medyo tumagal na rin. Ewan ko kung kaya pa ng mga buto-buto ko na kala mo naman tanda. Pero yeah, medyo matagal-tagal rin tayong namahinga sa pagsayaw dahil sa dami ng ating mga ginagawa. Pero nakaka-miss din. I mean, minsan parang pag trip ko bago matulog, tinitingnan ko yung mga naging dance prods ko from the past, from a lot of shows here in GMA especially, and also sa mga events na nagawa ko. And parang nare-realize ko rin na parang nakaka-miss din pala siya. And then my concerts also, I've done quite a few concerts in the past. So, tingnan natin kung kaya pa natin sumabay. Pero I think kaya pa rin naman. Mukha naman, warm up lang kailangan. Actually, I'm really excited and natutuwa ako to be able to be with these people that I've worked with in the past, especially of course ang mga dance authorities natin and si Miss Marian Rivera, of course si Mamang, si Miss Popoang also will be part of it, and of course si Jay Joseph, which I've heard a lot of great stories about him kasi that's why siya yung trend master, he's the choreographer of SB19, so marami siyang mga nagawang dance moves na talaga namang tinangkilik ng ating mga mamamayang ka-social media and mga kapuso natin at the same time. So, nakakatuwa lang. I really appreciate shows na nagkakaroon ng opportunity yung iba, na non-celebrities, to be highlighted because of their talents. And that's what we're doing right now. So, I'm just very grateful na nagkaroon ng chance na mabigyan natin ng opportunities tong mga taong to na yung popularity nila on social media is matranscend din natin sa television. And vice versa with our TV superstars as well. Definitely as a host kasi my task is to really connect everyone, from the host to the judges to the audience to the TV audience and now to the social media audience that we have. So parang ever since naman I started hosting, I see to it that I'm very open to all the people that I get the chance to talk to. Kasi it's very essential that you tell their story properly. Kasi yun, aside from the fact na may talent sila, I think us Filipinos, in our kapusos, when they watch, they latch on the reality of things. Siyempre makikita nila, like this is a dance collaboration, dance kolabanan, that's yun yung tawag natin sa mga mangyayari at magaganap sa show na to. Siyempre, first time natin magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng collab on TV, and it's very interesting to see na kung paano yung magiging dynamics ng mga participants and contestants natin. And my task is really to connect that story towards the audience who's watching us. And preparation-wise, yun lang, parang I just have to be ready. Siyempre, makikinig tayo sa ating mga writers, that's the key. And of course, you got to know the show by heart. And right now, yun yung nararamdaman ko with everything. And whenever I commit to something naman, I always give it my all.